Hello, how are you, friends? This video I'm showing you how to lock your app Realme 11. So first go to setting and then go to privacy, and you can see here app lock and verify the fingerprint, and now you can choose which app you want to lock. I already did many app lock mode, so it's really very much good. Okay, now I already locked and it's locked. Facebook locked and others importance app I already locked. So hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.